Don't tweet this. This is private information.
I won't tweet this. I don't have a Twitter.
Depending on Justin's bookings, we'll go back into Iowa towards a racetrack and hang out there for an hour or two while the Lambeau people dick around. And then we're going to drive from there to Chicago, day 2.
Go for it. Pull it. What? Holy shit. Ooh, I feel good.
Who you a fool for this?
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The first nigga play on my body and I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a new cap. You know that your hoe told you that nigga crazy, don't think that she lied to you. Get caught with your hoe and I'm popping them both, now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the GOAT, act like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank and take out 100 to show you our pockets is different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge, she got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat your up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type that let you think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. And take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Yeah. Say with me, then he gotta grow up, cause this nigga gotta be killed. This shit can't fit in my pocket, I got it, like I hit the lottery. I slap out of nigga, no talking, I don't like to argue with niggas. Ain't gonna be no more laughing, you see me whip out, cause I'm gonna be the shot me and no cap. I don't follow no bitch on IG, but all of your bitches, they following. And that little nigga ain't gon' shoot with that gun, he just pull it out in his pictures. Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Talking about shit, I'm a prophet. Got like 32,000 in one of my pockets. The other one, that's where the Glock is. You little nigga wanna be in that gangster, man. Tell all these little niggas stop that. Beating Burby and in front of the store where your mammy and grandmama shop at. I opt out on a whole nother wave on these niggas. Let's see one of these little niggas top that. I'll return a nigga into a convertible. Push me a little nigga top back. Her boyfriend be hating and calling a groupie just cause she like all my music. She send me a text and to delete the message. She tryna find out it's confusing. I don't know what these niggas thinking about. Use that brain on your head for you lose. I pull up after school and I teach her some shit. Tell your bro I'm a tutor. Remember I used to cheat off a pretty test. All the teachers they thought I was stupid. Was expecting the box to pull up on the truck, man. It's pull up on the school.
actually in the
Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah.